Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with a different reaction. Yeah, there's something different. As I just see from the title. So I reacted to Wasp Robbery song, and a comment was there that says I need to go back and react to some of the classic song them. Something along the line of that. I've been looking for the comment after that. I did like the comment and I did reply to the comment. But I forgot who sent the comment. So big up yourself, me G. Me still try to find the comment. Big up yourself. So that leads me to go back and react to some of the classic dancehall song them. God knows how far back me go. God knows how which song, which artist, whatever. Any song that wasn't that came out before me start the reaction, that was a classic. You guys can leave it in the comment section and we're gonna react to it. You see me? It doesn't matter if your favorite artist or not. Once the song bad, we're gonna react to it. So I could jump in another one here. So this is Alkaline Ready from the Desert Riddim, one of my favorite rhythms, as in jugglings. So upon the rhythm you have Devabrat, Jaffras, Merital, Buki, and those are medicine. Octane, Alkaline, Bugle, and Versatile. So we are gonna react to the Alkaline. Alkaline have two songs on the rhythm here. It have a girl song and it have that one here. So we are gonna react and Ono are gonna tell me which song for react to next. This is the segment. You got the people's choice. This segment is called the people's choice. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. There again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. All right, so let's go.
Yo, straight them fi know
Not
say them
nice,
no
big
fi
up, you already
play with me. Alkaline, me name some pussy wolf, you know say me no take chat. No tell me about when you want to do when you know you can't defend that. Anything, if I want, then I want gunshot fi gunshot. Me no join the king of face stroke and me was no take this okay mama chat. Bumbo clan, me ready when you ready.
This was when Alkaline was hungry for dancehall. Like him ready to kill off everything. He was ready to prove himself to everybody. To say, yo, listen, I'm a force to be reckoned with, and I'm going to be a force to be reckoned with. This was even before it started 2016. 2016. So this came out in 2023. No, 2020. 2013. 2013 this came out. Obviously, I ate already, so it not gonna be one of my natural reaction them. But we are gonna react to it.
Yo, straight them fi know say them no fi fucking play with me. Alkaline, me name some pussy wolf, you know say me no take chat. No tell me about when you want to do when you know you can't defend that. Anything, if I want, then I want gunshot fi gunshot. Me no join the king of face stroke and me was no take this okay mama chat. Bumbo clan, me ready when you ready. Feel like gunshot in your face. Pussy from a war, then a war. Me no care, can have no fucking behavior. Yeah.
This is why I'm glad that some of the old rhythms are coming back, because I want to see about the Alkaline pan some of them rhythms. I swear. I want to see some of them Alkaline are back pan some of them classic rhythm, bro. I swear, like, no joke.
Pussy from a war, then a war. Me no care, can have no fucking behavior. Yeah. Me ready when you're ready.
Yeah.
You flatten your bumbo clap place.
Yeah.
Anytime, anywhere, no matter the place, me like nine, I shoot you same way.
So the boss will tell us, say, yo, anywhere I'm ready, brother. Nowhere not there too far, brother. Your place, my place, mutual place, me ready to come knock it on you. What you said to me?
No fucking behavior. Yeah. Me ready when you're ready.
Yeah.
You flatten your bumbo clap place.
Defend it.
Anytime, anywhere, no matter the place, me like nine, I shoot you same way.
Bumbo clap.
Me mother shoulda just about me and done. No a bag of fuckery I go down.
Yo! The man say, yo, his mother should just abort him and done, brother. Mama, Mommy, you should have just make daddy just put on a condom and tie it up when him done and just throw it away. Cause fuck we go down now and people now go like it. Here we go.
Me mother should have just about me and done. No, a bag of fuckery I go down.
Yeah.
Me nah have nothing to live for, so I know nothing for me take wake up life with me under the ground.
Me nah have nothing to live for. Brother, have me alone born. I never plus one. Me nah have nothing to live for, so I know nothing if me take a couple life under the blood clot ground. You know here? Huh? You know here? You deaf? Hold on.
About me and done. No, a bag of fuckery I go down. Me nah have nothing to live for, so I know nothing for me take wake up life with me under the ground. The medicos move me stallion, soca 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 bolos idiosh.
I know I don't know what that mean when him said this, so. The medicos move me stallion. The medicos move me stallion. The medicos move me stallion to Cosmo. I know I don't know why him said this, so. But at the time, that was the slang that everybody wanted to catch.
Fuckery I go down. Me nah have nothing to live for, so I know nothing for me take wake up life with me under the ground. The medicos move me stallion, soca 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 bolos idiosh. Big up every blood club bad picking and big up every bumbo club man with fire gun.
Big up everybody picking the dog. From them time that the boss tell us say, yo, me ready. Me ready. So big up every bad picking and big up every bumbo club man with fire gun. Alkaline did bad from them time till now.
With me under the ground. The medicos move me stallion, soca 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 bolos idiosh. Big up every blood club bad picking and big up every bumbo club man with fire gun. Not nice, me ready. Smarty have to go daddy. Whether by chop in a head or tab in a belly.
Man say, yo, not nice. Guess what? Me ready. Smarty have to go daddy. Whether bite, chop in a head or tab in a belly. Anyway you take it, your 3 points are going to get taken away. Taken away.
Fire gun. Not nice, me ready. Smarty have to go daddy. Whether bite, chop in a head or tab in a belly. Me a grant the twitch for y'all who no beggy. Not nice, give a cup of mafia, give a lady.
Me a grant your wish, brother. Even if you never beg it. Me a grant the twitch for y'all who no beggy. What?
A man with fire gun. Not nice, me ready. Smarty have to go daddy. Whether by chop in a head or tab in a belly. Me a grant the twitch for y'all who no beggy. Not nice, give a cup of mafia, give a lady. Baby, I give a free, but me no mean selly.
Baby, I give a free, I mean no mean selly. Listen to the next line.
Not nice, give a cup of mafia, give a lady. Baby, I give a free, but me no mean selly. The gun will make you black right before you bury.
That are the BB. The gun will make you black before you bury. You see me? Yeah, copper to your skin, you know that go already.
Baby, I give you free, but me no mean selly. The gun will make you black right before you bury. Wanna get it? Black before you bury. They even think too hard, cause you might just get it.
You get it? Oh, wanna get that? Black before you bury. Brother, 2 things. Your skin are gonna turn black from copper, extra black from copper. Copper go poison you. Second one, it mean black, as in black and cement, before you bury. Get it? That's what I'm saying. You get it?
I give a lady, baby, I give a free, but me no mean selly.
And the gun will make you black right before you bury.
Wanna get it? Black before you bury. They even think too hard, cause you might just get it.
Nobody think about the line that too hard, because you might just get it. You might just get it, so don't think about the line. Yo, Alkaline did bad from them time till now.
Bury, wanna get it? Black before you bury. They even think too hard, cause you might just get it. Bumbo hole, me ready when you're ready. Feel like gunshot in your face.
What you say?
Pussy from a war, then a war. Me no care, Alkaline have no fucking behavior. Yeah, be ready when you're ready. You flatten your bumbo club place. Anytime, anywhere, no matter the place. Me like 9 I shoot you.
Give me second verse. Yeah.
Go for you want, go for you all of your squaddy.
Go for everybody where you want, go for the whole of your friend, the whole of your little idiot squaddy them. Anybody, me no care, go for them.
Me like 9 I shoot you same way. Go for you want, go for you all of your squaddy. Make me murder all of them with the rascal shotty. All when you're dead, me still a fire shot. By your chest and by your leg to me, no respect, no fucking body.
Brother, not because you drop already. Not because you drop already and dead already. Me not care. Me still a fire shot by your head and by your chest and every weapon you. You know why? 2 things. Me want to make sure you're dead. Number second, me not respect nobody. And other second one to it. Me just krill. Me not care.
I shot it all when you're dead. Me still a fire shot. By your chest and by your leg to me, no respect, no fucking body. Murder people and no care. I mean no fucking sorry. And when the rifle them a beat, try fucking stop it. Pussy hold me.
When the rifle them a beat, try fucking stop it. Yeah, Superman. Stand up front tight. Tap it now. Tappy.
The people are no care, I mean no fucking sorry. And when the rifle them a beat, try fucking stop it. Pussy hold me no walk a tasty, son of bad come here, so to me I look no fucking sympathy.
Better me no work a half a cheat tasty, brother. I don't work nowhere near this. I don't work at no food restaurant. So nobody come look no sympathy, brother. No party no there, so. Not even sim.
Stop it, pussy hole me no walk a tasty. Son of bad come here so to me I look no fucking sympathy. Smarty if you go daddy. Whether by chopping a head or tapping a belly. Me a grant the twitch for y'all who no beggy. Not nice, give a cup of my fee, I give a lady. Baby I give a free, but me no mean selly. I the gun will make you black right before you bury. Wanna get it black before you bury. They think too hard, cause you might just get it. Bumble, me ready when you're ready. Feel like gunshot in your face. Pussy from a war, then a war. Me no care, all can have no fucking behavior. Yeah, be ready when you're ready. Be flatten your bumbo car place. Anytime, anywhere, no matter the place. Me like 9, I shoot you same way. Alkaline, me name some pussy wolf. You know, say me no take chat. No tell me about when you want to do when you know you can't defend that. Anything or anything, if I want, then I want. Gunshot, be gunshot. Me no join Nick in a face joke and me was a no take this okay mama chat. Bumbo, be ready when you're ready.
Bumbo clat. When them sang a drop, Richard, you did there. Were you too young to be listening to dancehall music? Were you Alkaline fan from those days? Or no Alkaline fan now? Because me can play the first Alkaline song with me here from Alkaline. Them time the Alkaline they are school. One song they improve. So all of the bandwagon is them we are forward. Oh no, should I do the research long time. Alkaline bad long time, brother. From school days the G bad. You see me? So this is one of the classic one. This one I gonna start off the series. You see me? The People's Choice. This series is called The People's Choice. You understand? So I want to leave in the comment section now which other song me for react to. No matter which artist. Want is an old song. Before me start the reaction, I want to tell me. Let me see which date. Let me see when me start the reaction. Let me see exactly when me start the reaction. So you can get a fine tune of when me start, you know? When the channel start. I think the channel start like a couple years ago. Yeah, a couple years ago. 2021, I would say. 2021. Yeah. So obviously, I want to tell me which song I want me react to, and the G will do it. You see me? Once it's an old song, once it's a song that I haven't reacted to yet, in this series, it doesn't matter if me hear it already or not. Once it's a song where me not react to yet, then yeah, I will definitely react. So let me know where which song. You see me? Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. The People's Choice.
Jamaica's worst gamer.